Good morning. Today I'm fixing an axle seal here on the Landcruiser. Look at that leak dripping all down the side of the tire there. Gonna fix that today. I'm just gonna take the tire off for now, and then I'm gonna hit the gym and come back and finish that. Nice. I had to switch to my GoPro. Man, this thing is on there. I got 2 hammers. I'm gonna try this rubber mallet out. I probably look like a little kid from this angle. Can I have some water, please? I don't really know what my plan was here. This thing is locked on. That is not coming off. Maybe I should put some real shoes on. Dude, this thing is crazy. All right, I gotta change my hoodie. I wasn't planning on that being so crazy. Here we go. I don't really know what my plan is. My dogs keep barking at me in the backyard. Here's my plan for right now. Are you serious? I don't know what to do. Nothing's working. We just keep kicking it. Really feel for this wheel right now. At least we know it's not coming off on the freeway. Okay, we got the big guns out here going for it now.
Why is it like this?
She thought she'd give it a try. It's not happening. Do we even need to go to the gym after this? Usually you can just give it a swift kick with the slides. Perfect mechanics attire. We're gonna see if this is gonna end up being a what not to do if your wheel gets stuck. I'm so freaking scared right now. Nothing. That's not coming off. A new plan. We are going to throw the lug nuts on and then loosen them about a quarter turn, pull the jack out from underneath, and just go back and forth on the driveway a couple times. Hopefully I don't die. Let's see if that did anything. That didn't do shit. Oh! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Yeah! It's moving. Come on. Yes. Holy, that was unnecessary. Just took some persistence. Check this out. This grease Just everywhere. Look at it, all over the brake caliper. We're gonna have to clean that up real good. That's exciting. Finally got it. You're in my wheel well, and I'm gonna go get ready for the gym because I need to go to the gym and then I need to get some degreaser today. We'll finish tackling this job. Based on the amount of grease in here right now, I am not stoked. We are back. So this is about to get super greasy. That's crusty. These freaking pads are crusty. Clean, clean. Jeez, just grease. Soupy all up in there. Yum! Now we gotta take this hub off. Well, that worked. That is a big old mess. So we obviously have this seal is leaking and washed away all the grease in my wheel bearing. This is installed backwards. This bearing is completely empty. Everything's a mess. So we're gonna need new grease, new seals, and to clean these bearings out real good. Fun for me. This comes apart like. There it goes. Sick, huh? This wheel bearing. Dude, my glove ripped. Glove change time. I think between lunch, going to the gym, and all this cleaning that I have to do, that this job is gonna take me the rest of the day. Ooh, I just got a cut on my knuckle. Ugh. That's crazy, huh? And there's brake cleaner in it. So it stings. So I was doing some research on the forums the other day, and I saw that people were not placing the inner seal to the axle in their Landcruisers anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and not install that all the way through. So this is taking far too long. Way longer than I anticipated. I was putting everything back together, which, I mean, honestly should only take me like 30 minutes to an hour just to get everything situated. And I noticed on the hub that this bolt right here was shredded. So now I'm going to the auto parts store. Package acquired. And of course, it is sprinkling a little bit. So we gotta get this together as fast as possible, but everything is clean. Just need to pound that in, bolt everything up, and I think we're solid. I don't know how to tighten this thing. I don't know how to tighten it. Hooray! This is almost done. Now we need our 1/2-inch bit driver. I'm just gonna do an extension because that sounds nice. And where's my 21 socket? I just threw all my sockets all over the place. Sweet. Now, you don't need to see all the rest of this, but I'm gonna torque everything up. This is just a silly vlog video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Okay, bye.